Hiya guys, welcome to the Celtic Crossbows channel. I know he said slingshot channel then, but George wanted me to say that because it's one of his babies we got right now. Of course, all you guys know about my Adderini, which is up for sale on the coffee channel. Click on the link above, over on eBay. But arrived this morning from a new friend of mine, Alex. You could say he's the technical side of my channel. We'll take out the box now. I'll give you a little clue. Coming in. Yes. Adderini Crossbow. So that's the next project, guys. He's done a fantastic job on the printing, I'm sure you'll agree. That's absolutely gorgeous. Thank you, Alex. You've done a cracking job there, buddy. So this is one side of the magazine. You're going to put this there. So we're going to take out some of the parts now, show you through, so you can guess what's coming next. For the next couple of weeks we're going to be doing a series of builds now, or build videos for the Adderini Crossbow. So it's slightly different. The magazine is basically the same as the Adderini slingbow. Just show you the two. No, I'll show you the rest of the living room, why not? Yeah, but but Alex has done me an all tactical black crossbow this time. There's the two sides of the main frame. First half of the frame, handle. Yeah, and here's the other side of the frame. Now, the difference between the crossbow frame just getting it nice. There's the crossbow frame and the slingbow frame. I can see straight away. There's your mounting for your bow limb for the Adderini. This is going to need setting, gluing and filing before I do anything else. I've got my build kit already. And this is going to be our next project, the Adderini crossbow. Just put it back together. Now, for people who say it's just a toy, it's a little bit more than that. It uses the standard £55 prod, which the old £55 prod, which that used to be advertised as £80, which we all know was a bit of a fib. So let's see if you can find the other side of the plate for the magazine in here. So I got my bag of parts. And thanks to Al and helping me with my first one, I already know exactly how these go together now. Much quicker. Okay, so we got the rapid handle. The other side of the frame. And our beloved Adderini nameplate. But this one's going to be all in tactical black. So follow me guys on this one. And starting tomorrow I'll be showing videos of building out the Adderini crossbow with the £55 limb. Cheers guys, keep watching.